Today we're diving into the EMX waterproof proximity keypad access control, model PRX 320. Designed specifically for outdoor use, this standalone unit promises robust functionality even in harsh weather conditions. Operating on a 12V DC supply and compatible with solar installations, it's a versatile choice for both residential and commercial applications. What sets the PRX 320 apart is its dual functionality. It can function as a keypad for some users and a proximity card reader for others, offering flexibility in access control. This makes it ideal for scenarios where different access levels are required, such as in office buildings, gated communities, or industrial sites. Installation is straightforward, catering to gates or doors exposed to climatic elements. The unit's waterproof design ensures durability over time, backed by reliable performance. Moreover, it includes a built-in contact for doorbell enunciators, enhancing convenience by integrating access control with notification systems that in terms of usability. The keypad is intuitive, featuring a layout that's easy to navigate. Users can quickly enter their codes or swipe their proximity cards, minimizing wait times and improving overall efficiency. Security-wise, the PRX 320 offers encrypted communication protocols, safeguarding access data from potential breaches. For those looking to enhance their access control systems with a reliable, weather-resistant solution, the EMX PRX 320 stands out as a top choice. Whether you're upgrading existing security measures or installing new systems, its blend of functionality, durability, and ease of use makes it a compelling option in the market. That concludes our overview of the EMX waterproof proximity keypad access control, model PRX 320. Stay tuned for more insights and reviews on the latest in access control technology.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.